Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is our first official-ish moving vlog. It is currently 1:17. I'm getting ready to go to Ikea actually. I feel like a lot has happened. I'm just gonna do very minimal makeup because I'm kind of in a rush. I got out of work early today. That was nice. I got out around 12:30ish and I came home and I just showered really quick. But today's a busy day. Yesterday was also extremely busy. Moving in general is just so stressful. I forgot how stressful it really was. It's so much more stressful when you're doing it by yourself, in the sense of like moving into your own apartment. Like I've never moved into a place all by myself. I've always just had like roommates and stuff. I am not complaining because I'm so happy. I'm happy to live alone. I've gotten so many questions. People will be like, why do you want to live alone? I'm like, living alone is the greatest thing in the entire world. I mean, you guys know I did it last summer. I loved living alone. It was my favorite summer ever. No one bothered me. So a lot has happened, obviously, since the last time I saw you. Today is Saturday, August 22nd. I officially signed my lease. So I literally looked at the apartment on Tuesday. So I got approved for the apartment, obviously, as you guys saw in my last vlog, and then signed the lease later on that day, and I move in next Tuesday. I'm so excited. Yesterday, my mom and I started prepping. We spent $145 at the dollar store. It was amazing. If you guys are ever moving out, go to the freaking dollar store because that's where it's at. People looked at us like we were psychopaths because we filled up 2 carts of stuff. You guys save so much money, and like I'm learning that is so freaking expensive to move. And then after the dollar store, we did a bunch of damage at Home Goods. So I got like a lot of my kitchen stuff there, and then all of like my bathroom stuff at Home Goods yesterday. And we did a little bit of decor shopping, but I'll show you guys what it kind of like looks like because my garage is filled. But I just got out of work and I have to drive up to North Jersey today because my dresser that I like completely redid myself 2 years ago when I moved into my first college apartment is in my grandma's garage. So I need to drive up to North Jersey right now, but I'm really excited because I'm going to Ikea to look at a couch. I need to do Ikea shopping, but I'm gonna try out a mattress and I'm gonna try out a couch because my mom and I did mattress and couch shopping yesterday, but it was a total flop. The lady tried to sell us a $3,000 mattress and I was like, okay, let's leave. I found a really awesome white sleeper couch. My mom's like wants me to get a sleeper so bad, just for like guests when she can come and visit me and my brother can come, or you know, like if I have friends stay over. So my mom's like really set on me getting a sleeper sofa. I also placed a big Amazon order, so it's really just happening so fast. To think that I got the job last Friday, went to look at apartments Tuesday, got an apartment Thursday, and moving in next Tuesday is like beyond me, but I'm so ready to leave. I absolutely hate my hometown, and I shouldn't because it's a beautiful place to live and a beautiful place to be. But if you guys live in like a touristy area, you know how horrible it is. I just can't drive 25 miles per hour on the main road anymore. My road rage is truly off the charts, and I've just always hated living at home for many reasons that I will not get into detail with. I've been back on my fake eyelash bullshit lately, which is nice. Did I mention I'm going to see my grandma? We're going to the Pompton Queen Diner. If you guys have watched my vlogs before, you guys know I love that place, and it's like our place that we go to. And I have been getting the kale and quinoa salad there for like my entire life, and it's right up there with Hip City Veg. Like it's my OG favorite salad ever. So very excited to be eating that. I'm like not really gonna have time to eat, and I also had a really big bowl of oatmeal at like 11:30, so I'm not terribly hungry. I'm just excited to go to Ikea. Oh shit. I'll show you guys my outfit and then gotta get on the road. This is the fit. My sweatshirt is from Misguided. Justin just got it for me. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I've been wanting a neutral crew neck like this too. My biker shorts, I want to say are from Forever 21. And then I just have tall socks on with the Nike RYZs. I'll show you guys them. I just got them for my birthday and I've been wanting them since March, and they've been sold out in this color since then. I was gonna get them when I went to LA, but you guys, I don't pay no attention to that. Fell off my bike when I was intoxicated. But yeah, I freaking love them. I think they're so dope, and I'm so glad I got them. I like told my mom, I was like, these are the only things that I want for my birthday. Carrying my bag from Princess Polly. So let's go. could do this. No, I can't. The steering wheel's in the way. Anyway, I just got to Ikea. It was a horrible Parkway drive, but I got here a little too fast. Oh my God, there's a plane going off. I forgot. We're by Newark. Wow. Didn't really miss North Jersey. That's my thoughts on that. I'm so excited to go in and try this couch. So let's do it. Kind of forgot that like we're in a pandemic and there's gonna be a line. Oh my God, I don't even know if I should wait on it. Holy shit, it's so long. So I made it into Ikea. This is the couch I think I want to get. Home sunned, I think. The only thing is the fabric's not that soft, but like it's kind of nice. I like. This store is so cool. I said this store is so cool. I know, there's really bad service in here. Hold on. I need to put my mask on. I'm with my beloved grandmother now. Say hello, Mammy. The people love you. They really do. They always say, oh, she's so cute.
Oh, thank you.
So, we're at Bed Bath & Beyond. We went to the Pumpkin Queen Diner, but I didn't vlog because the employees were staring at us. So it was awkward. So, now we're here. Bed Bath & Beyond was a success. Ikea was not, although I will get to that in a little bit. It's 6:30 and now I have to drive home. We probably won't get home till like 9. We have to put the dresser in the back. Probably like, not like 9:30 actually. I'm probably not gonna leave here till like 7:30. So, I will see you guys, I don't know when. Say goodbye.
Bye. Alright, drive safely. Put that camera away.
I will.
Bye, babe.
So, we have the car packed. My grandma's neighbor is actually moving out. She's moving to Florida like next month. So she gave me so much stuff. She gave me really cute VODs too. I'm exhausted. I am sweaty. The fact that my grandma and I both got that like chest in the back is amazing. My grandma's the freaking goat. So it is now 7:30. I think I said I would probably leave around here about 7:30. So I need to go get gas and go home, and I think I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow. So I will see you guys then. Good morning, you guys. It's about 10 o'clock on Sunday, August 23rd. I'm just drinking my lemon water and some iced coffee. I made this with my Bodum cold brew maker, and I used the Trader Joe's vanilla coffee. I just uploaded a video, and today's an exciting day because there will be lots of packing. Today's my really big packing day. So my mom and I like just solidified like a solid plan for the week. Sunday's gonna be like my really big packing day. Tomorrow I have to work 7 to 2, and then I'm gonna come home. We're gonna pack up the car. We're just gonna take like 2 separate trips, Tuesday and Wednesday, but I'm gonna stay there Tuesday night. Obviously, can't wait. I'm gonna do like pantry stuff, bathroom, kitchen. I mean, it's already packed, but like I just need to like go through it and organize it. I wish I got a little bit more sleep than I did because I'm exhausted, but I was just like up all night with like stress and anxiety. Make sure to watch my touring apartment vlog if you haven't seen that, but you probably have if you're watching this. Update, it's a little while later now. I am currently doing my pantry staples. I'll show you guys. A lot of food, a lot more than I think I expected. So my grandma's friend that's moving out gave me like so much stuff because she's also gluten and dairy free. Like she gave me the spelt flour, some Daya mac and cheese, almond flours. She gave me a bunch of like red lentil pasta, like all of this stuff, and I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. So I have like protein powders in here, and then I'm just gonna try and consolidate all of this into this bag, so we shall see. This is everything we have purchased in the past few days. There's a lot. How do we feel?
Oh, come on. We're have a lot of mixed emotions. I'm very proud and very happy of you. And I'm gonna be very sad because I know in my heart that you're never coming back.
Aww.
I know, it's sad for me.
Sorry our garage is a mess, but now it's time to go through all this shit, which is probably gonna take a little while. It's 12:15. Hi guys, it's now 1 o'clock. 45 minutes later, we've made a lot of progress so far. I've gone through everything for the most part. This is like kitchen and bathroom stuff that I already have organized, and then I have like 2 other bins that I need to organize, and that's it. We got all this ready to go. My grandma's neighbor gave me like the brand new Keurig and the blender. So is a work in progress. I want to show you guys this. I'm so obsessed with it. She was like, do you like this like vase? And I was like, oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. That's what we got going on. Update, it is currently just about 2 o'clock and it is complete. This is the stuff that I have to take. We have to take the dresser out of my mom's car because I'm taking all of this in her car tomorrow. And then I don't know if I'm gonna fit this stuff, but this is like delicates, like plates and stuff. Party seesaw that I literally never even used in college. I'm gonna go eat something because I'm getting a little hungry and work on my room, which is also just gonna be a shit show for the rest of the day, but we'll see. I'm not gonna pack like all of my winter stuff. Obviously, like I can come back. I'm literally like an hour and 15 minutes away from home, so it's not bad. I would like to get a couple more beach days in. I have to help my mom out at the gym on Labor Day weekend. So, hello everybody. It is now 4 o'clock. We've made a little dent in my room. I'll show you guys how I've done so far. So I'm currently with my little Casey bear, who I'm going to miss so much. Don't even get me started or I will cry. I have some decor. I have all my blankets in here. I have all my electronics in here. And I'm kind of like packing in my purses. I have everything organized. Like that one's for jewelry. That one's like hair wraps. These I have yet to do anything with. Why is my brother FaceTiming me? He's literally downstairs. And then I have to get my other luggage downstairs. But I'm kind of making some good progress. That's what we have now. And it is 4 o'clock. I feel like every time I turn the camera on, I probably look worse and worse. It's currently 5:30. I am done for the day. I'm honestly pretty much done. I got more done today than I expected to, which is good because I have to work tomorrow and my mom and I want to go get some more things before I leave Tuesday morning. But I'll show you guys what I've done. It's pretty like bare boned as to decor, but the stuff that I'm leaving is just like the boring things that I really don't care about. I think I'm gonna take these plants instead of buying new ones. Doesn't make sense to. Everything's down from here. Table. These are the clothes I need to find a bag for, these and these, because I still need to do a load of laundry. I have all my clothes packed in here pretty well. We just ordered some dinner because I am not cooking tonight. Fuck that. I look disgusting, so I need to go shower. I'm like a sweaty mess. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. My next one will be my moving in vlog, so I'm so excited to film that. Obviously it'll be a full day, Tuesday and Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.